Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of gracestitch.com. So this is basically an online platform where you can shop different women clothing. So they have a wide variety of items, quality pictures, and different kind of sales going on every time. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy ads. So as you can see, like, this domain name was registered back in 2024, so it's just 1 year old, which is slightly a red flag. Apart from that, they're claiming that there are a lot of sales going on, so this seems like a scam move. Why? Because I have tried to search for their physical address on Google and it is actually redirecting to some completely different store. So which is a major red flag, like this platform is pretty much a scam. Apart from this, they're actually uploading different kind of social media pictures which is just plagiarized. As you can see, different Pakistani actress pictures are also being uploaded, but I never looked for any kind of collab on Instagram. So in conclusion, I would say, like, this platform is pretty much a scam and you should avoid buying different clothing items from this website. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.